Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Julie E. Today we're going to be doing some alcohol ink work on some mugs, some coffee mugs that I found at the Dollar Tree. Well, the $1.25 tree now, but still, it's a really inexpensive substrate to practice on if you're new to inks, and really easy to erase any mistakes at all off of and start over again. So if you're just beginning inks, this might be a project perfect for you. And they make really great gifts, birthday gifts, Christmas gifts. Christmas is coming up. Start getting everything set, right? I'm going to be using T-Rex inks. This is sea glass, and the purple there is wisteria. Really pretty. And then I have in that one bottle is Pinata Brass. That's mixed about 1/3 inks to 2/3 99% isopropyl alcohol. And I'm using watercolor brushes. I love these because you can fill the tube of the brush with alcohol instead of water, and then you can just give it a little squeeze and the drops of alcohol come down through the brush, and you can re-wet your inks when they dry out in your little pads. And I like to recycle, so I'm using the caps off of old water bottles to put my inks in instead of going out and buying like a paint palette kind of thing. So, and I'm gonna start out just showing you in real time how I do this, and then we'll speed things up, and yeah. And then you watch the rest of how the rest of the mug is created. But it's very simple, and yeah, I get so much more control with the watercolor brushes than just what I've seen other artists do, and that is actually drop the ink directly out of the bottle onto the cup. I tried that for the first time last week, and I didn't get any control, and it was a mess, and I didn't care for it. So if you're like me and you need a different option, try this one. Try the watercolor brushes. I think it worked really good. I love the finished product. And yeah, like I said, they make great gifts. You can stuff little things down in the cup before you wrap it, you know, like little candies, bath bomb, packets of different drinks like hot cocoa for Christmas. You know, there's all kinds of different options. So, all right. Oh, what's that? Oh, we have a wild hair. We have a wild hair on our brush. Nip those wild hairs right in the bud when you get the chance. You don't need them straggling along and everything. But all right, let me put some music on for you, and I'll meet you towards the end of the video. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, all those fun YouTubey things that help me so much to get my videos out there and get them seen. All right, let's enjoy some music. Okay, now we just need to remove that tape and give it a few coats of Kamar varnish and then a few coats of UV protectorant gloss varnish. These will not be dishwasher safe, but they are hand wash safe and usable. But hopefully they'll just sit there and look pretty. But you know, we all have that one relative that thinks they're entitled to use the guest bath towels, you know? There's the butterfly from the Amazon find stickers that I had in a video a couple weeks ago. Go check that one out. The links for those butterflies are in that description. Just Janice is right before me. Massey Art Studio is right after me. Please enjoy the train. The links for everybody's videos are in my description also. And until next time, guys, loves and hugs you all. Bye.